Welcome to the video. My name's Steven. In this video, I'm going to tell you how I'm able to book 3 to 5 appointments every single day using LinkedIn and Dripify. So Dripify is a platform that is used with LinkedIn and paired with Sales Navigator in order to send out automated messages to potential prospects based off of your niche. I'm going to show you exactly how to set everything up. Go to dripify.io. The link will be in the description. Go and click Start Free Trial, or just go ahead and sign up. When you do a free trial, you can only send 5 messages a day. But when you go ahead and buy the actual package, you can send up to 75 messages a day. And I'm going to show you the pricing structure for that right now. Basically, the pro plan is the one that I use. I don't think you need the advanced plan. But I use the pro plan. It's worked very, very well for me. $80 a month per user. So you really only need one user. If you have a big sales team, then sure. But for the most part, just get the pro plan, upgrade immediately. Don't wait for the free trial to be over with. Just go ahead and upgrade. I promise you it will help you out. Also, when you're setting your limits and activity, you need to warm up your account. And so for the first couple of days, it won't push to the limit of connection requests. I have 75 connections a day, but it won't let me do that on the first day. So you have to warm up because it flies under the radar of LinkedIn banning you for having automated messages being sent. So you go ahead and get the pro plan and then get Sales Navigator. Sales Navigator on LinkedIn is $100 a month. You can get it and then unsubscribe after you get your lead list, which is what I used to do, but I stopped doing that because it actually prevents you from being able to send a message with your connection request, which helps you see a higher reply rate. So the first thing you want to do once you get Sales Navigator is go to lead filters and then I do marketing. I run a marketing agency. And so my niche particularly maybe that I want to target, let's say it is chiropractors. So I would go to industries and type, well, here we got chiropractors right here. So we can include chiropractors, and you can also exclude certain businesses as well. So maybe medical practices I might want to exclude in case that's listed in with the chiropractors. Now, once you pick the industry, go and grab the job title. So I like to use CEO or CXO. Usually these are the best people to get in front of. Once you do that, the next step, you can fill all these out as much as you want to. You can come in and change any of these demographics to fit your needs. This shows you how many results you have. Now, I would suggest finding a way to get up to about 1,000 leads. You want to have a lot of leads going into this Dripify campaign. And then this one's the most important, is posts on LinkedIn. So you click that on, and now it shows you all the CEOs that post on LinkedIn. But we only have 11, so let's try and make this list longer. Let's maybe try owner. Now we're up to 50 results. We can try, maybe we'll leave this alone. Maybe we can do geography. Let's just do North America. And then let's also maybe add some industries in here, right? Like maybe if, this kind of is a small list of chiropractors, but maybe if you want to do maybe hospital and healthcare, or even I'd say maybe like med spas. So now we have our list. Like I said, play around with this until you get a list of at least over 1,000 people. Once you have that list, just go up here, grab that LinkedIn search and copy it, and then go over to Dripify, and you're going to want to go to campaigns and then new campaign, and then add your lead list in here. Just name your lead list chiropractors, and then type in your LinkedIn URL, and then click this button right here to add the maximum amount of users from this list. Click create a list, and then next you need to create your sequence. So click this next button, and then you want to do lead generation. For the most part, you can do endorse my skills or extra profile visits, or even make a custom campaign. But for the most part, lead generation is the way to go. So this is what the basic lead generation structure template looks like. You can click send an invite, and then you can also add a personalized message. So what I'll do is, hey, first name, are you taking on new clients? And obviously whoever you're attacking, like if you have a coaching program, or if you have some sort of school program, you can say, hey, are you looking for XYZ thing? Just kind of keep it very open for response. You want people to respond back yes. That's the answer you want to get, right? So, hey, John, are you taking on new clients? And it sends the invite, then it endorses their skill after an hour. And then you can make a message, John, I help XYZ niche people get 100 new clients in 7 days. This is where you would put, let's just, for structure purposes, this is where you would put your offer, and then you would put your niche, and then you would put just wanted to connect. Right? LinkedIn is a connection platform. Don't try to sell people on your service right here. You want to just try and connect. Hey, this is what I do. Maybe you don't even have to talk about your offer. This is what I do. I just wanted to connect and have a conversation and see where it goes, right? Just looking to connect with people on LinkedIn. Make it very casual. Okay. You don't want to come off too strong and say, I do this thing and I'm the best in the business and you need to sign up with me. And here's our offer, because that's what everyone else does. Think outside the box. How can I connect with this person? And so you need to make it look like we're just grabbing a cup of coffee, right? So you're just saying, hey, just wanted to connect. Let's grab a coffee if they're in your area, or you can say, let's just have a quick Zoom chat. Let's talk for a couple minutes, see if we can help each other scale or work with each other. Revolved around just grabbing a cup of coffee, just chatting with each other for a little bit. And that's kind of how you want to treat these messages. And then from here, you can kind of go into the second message and say, hey, John, didn't hear back from you. Are you still looking to connect? Are you interested? That sort of stuff. And then the last one, I usually just say, hey, do you have any time on your calendar today? And that ends the sequence. Now, what's good about this is you're going to get a lot of replies. And you want to treat this, again, like I said, like you're getting a cup of coffee. And once you fill this out and start sending this out to people, LinkedIn will fly you under the radar. And so it'll send out messages periodically. And then on top of that, you have a bunch of yes questions. Hey, want to grab a coffee? Want to hop on a Zoom call real quick? Yes, I want to hop on a Zoom call. I'm interested. What's going on? And you can get people to join your program or join your course. Like I said, I book 3 to 5 appointments every single day using this process. Once you're done setting up your sequence, you click next, and then you want to name your campaign. So say, we're reaching out to chiropractors. So you would just write chiropractor campaign, and then you want to click this button right here. Same leads found in other campaigns. You do not want to send that message to them. And then after that, and you can also do if they have less than 500 connections, and then click save and launch, and that will go ahead and start sending out the campaign. And then you can view all your campaigns in this dashboard here. And then you can also view people in your inbox here. You don't have to have a glamorous LinkedIn account to get people to connect with you. I usually get a lot of my jobs from Dripify when people just read my bio, see a couple of my videos, and then they say, all right, I know what this guy does. I want to work with him. The more you have on your LinkedIn, the more people say, okay, I know what this guy does. And so they're going to show that initial interest because they've done a little bit of digging into you. So yeah, this is a very, very helpful process. If you have any questions, please put them in the description. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Also, if you're a business owner and you want to get 3 to 5 jobs in the next 7 days without spending any money on ads or a monthly retainer, I'm running a campaign right now where we just do a text campaign out to your previous clients. I usually see 3 to 5 jobs get closed. If that's something you're interested in, click the first link in the description. We can chat one-on-one and we can run that text campaign for you and get 3 to 5 jobs in the next 7 days. Also, Dripify and Sales Navigator will be linked in the description, so you can go check that out as well. Hope this video helped you out. Have a wonderful day.